To further explain, another one of the variables is the child's willingness to use it. Once I'd established that dictation was a good solution for my son, I went all out and I got him Dragon Dictation for Mac. And this was probably 9 years ago. So it was a really expensive solution. I didn't know anything about buying education users. So I bought the top of the range solution for him and I showed him how to use it. But George didn't like dictation, so he didn't use it at all. So I bought this really expensive purchase, and all my son used it for was when he was typing his homework and the spell check couldn't work out what he was trying to say and he couldn't work out the options that the spell check was giving him. He would switch on Dragon Dictate, he would say that one word, which they would then write for him, and then he would switch off Dragon Dictate. That is not what Dragon is meant for. And he could have done exactly the same with his phone, saying, Siri, how do you spell this? And I'd already bought his phone. So it was a complete and utter waste of money. So it does not matter how good the product is. If the child won't use it, there's not a lot you can do. You can motivate, but you can't force a child to use technology if they don't want to. Get more help deciding which tech you should be using by watching the next short videos in this playlist.